Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use these 5 software tools to improve upon your CV. As you already know, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos on software productivity tools to help you increase your productivity and efficiency at work. If you are interested in my video, click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. The first tool on my list is Resumeai, and this is how to use it. So this is how Resumeai works. So Resumeai, to log in, you have to click here, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up here. So I'll click here because I already have an account with them, and then I'll come here. So what you need to first do is to get a link of a job that is available, and then go to the site, get a link to apply. So I'm here, I'll just click here and then copy the link and then bring it to my, so I'll bring it here and then I'll click continue. So after that, it tries to integrate itself and then pull out data to retrieve it. So it says not bad, improve your resume to a better fit. So I'll click OK. So it actually tells me the job I'm applying for. So, and then another one is telling me it's 33% normal match. So let me see what it does. Yes, so this is what probably it does. So what you have to do is you have to probably complete all of these. You have to probably complete all of these before this is able to work on it. After that, you can choose to download, and then you can also choose to download the PDF or doc or text and also share it as well. All of these are available options that you could have on Resumeai. So the next one on it is you can also search for a job on Resumeai. So you can search from all boards, that is, these are all job search engines or job search websites. You can search based on your location that you want, the salary structure, everything. So after that, you can track your resume. So you can track your job search. So all of the white list, the wish list is the job that you have seen. So you can put all the jobs that you have seen with the links. You can decide to say the link or anything like that. So you can add a lot of job here. So whenever you apply for it, you move it here to say it has been applied for, and then you take it out from the wish list. The next one is the interviews. If you are lucky to get to the interview stage, you remove it from applied stage to the interview stage. So you move it to you get a rejection and then you get the offer. So if you get an offer, then you are lucky, and then you put it here. If you get a rejection, you put it here, and then you keep searching for the job that and I'm sure you get it one day. What the job tracker really does is that it helps you to keep track of all the jobs that you have applied for, and then motivate you to even apply for, intensify the number of jobs you are applying to in a day or like in a month or something like that. Yes. So it also has an extension that you can put inside your Google Chrome. You can choose to put the extension there, or you can also choose to know how to use it. If what I've said is really confusing, you can click here and then it teaches you how to use it. Yes, so that is all about Resumeai. You can benefit from it and probably it will be good for you. The next tool we'll have to review is the Canva. So Canva also is a designing tool that helps all designers to design whatever they want. It also provides template for you to design on, and probably is fast, and a lot of people are now embracing this software. Yes, so first of all, you have to click build your resume, build my resume, and then there are a lot of templates that you can benefit from. So these are all templates that you can benefit from. Some are free, some are paid versions. So you can walk your way through it and then see what actually works for you. Yes, so you can choose this one, and then you can choose to select this one, and then I will zoom it out for you, and then you can edit all of these to fit what. So it's very easy to use, and you can actually try it. Yes, it's very easy to use, and you can actually try it. So yes, so it's just the same, and then you do the same thing when you have a picture. You just upload a picture here. Yes, upload a picture here, and then you edit all of these things to fit the template you are looking for. Yes, so that is all about Canva. And the next on our table is Adobe Express. So Adobe Express is just like Canva, that also provides us with a platform to design. What we have to do is we just have to create our resume, and then we have a lot of templates as well, just as Canva. So it presents us with a lot of templates to work on. So let's see what it brings. Yes, so I agree to it, and then so for this you will also have to register, and then you would have access to all of these. These you can get some for free, and then some are also paid versions. So I'll zoom it now, and then you can start working on this just as. So you can click here, whatever you click would appear here, and then you start working on it. Yes. Yes, so whatever happened, yeah, you can just click here and then start working on it, and then yeah, so that is pretty how to use it, and then you can also benefit from it. After that, you download it from here. You click here to download, or you can choose to share it. Yes, so that is all about Adobe Express, using Adobe Express to design your CV. Yes, the next on our list is Top CV. So Top CV allows us to upload our CV and then get criticism based on what we have done in the CV. So these people are actually people who sit down to review a CV. So most of us, sometimes when we develop our CV or we build our CV, we don't actually make anyone go through for us, so that probably there will be a lot of there will be some corrections being done, or some suggestions being given. You can bring it here, and then it does everything for you. Within 48 hours, you have the results, and then you can improve upon your CV. It's a very interesting tool, and yes, it's very interesting. You just have to upload it here and then get a CV review. You get an email, and then you can proceed from there. After 48 hours, your resume criticism will be ready, and then they will send it back to you for you to improve upon your CV. Yes, try it, and then kindly comment what you think about this too. I really like it. The next on our list is Photofila. Yes, so Photofila is for people who want to use pictures on their resume. This allows you to upload a picture and then get votes, or allow your picture just to be criticized and then improve upon the picture. So it analyzes your picture based on confidence, fun, criticism, confidence, interest, likable, a whole lot of index that you use to analyze your picture. It allows people to vote for your on your picture, and then probably criticize your picture. Yes, so I already have an account with them, so I'll just try to go into it, and then yes, and then see what so let's see. Yes, so this is it. Yes, so this is mine. So 21 people have voted on my picture, and then yes, on competence I have 71, 7.1, sorry, 7.1. Likable is 6.8. Influence is 6.0. Yes, 6.0. And then people also comment. So this one says would prefer if you were smiling more, and the next one says would prefer a different expression. So yes, I'll probably work on all of these, and then yes, I will see what I'll get after this. Yes, so this is very interesting for people who are using picture in order to build a professional picture and then upload on their CV or on their LinkedIn profile. It's very interesting and I'm using for business. So that is it. So this brings us to the end of this video. Kindly share your comment in the comment section below and see you in our next one.